We are continuing with our Expo questions, expected questions on chemistry. As a JAMB candidate, I am sure you already know that we cannot play with chemistry. Chemistry is one of those very, very crucial JAMB subjects. And what I'm doing for you in this video is giving you those questions you should expect, especially those areas that do not involve calculation. Whether in mathematics, whether in physics, in chemistry, in any science subject, there is always quite a sizable number of questions that you don't need your calculator to solve. They are just commonsensical questions. And we will start. This is part 7 you are watching. We've continued this study. We started this study from part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. We have done part 5, part 6, and we are now in part 7. So after watching this part 7, I also encourage you to go back and begin from part 1 to watch, because there is a lot we need to cover, okay? Let's dive in immediately. The nucleus of an atom consists of dash. You know the nucleus. The nucleus of an atom consists of dash. A, electrons and neutrons. B, electrons and protons. C, protons and neutrons. D, none of the above. But one of the good things about this material I'm using is I will be explaining as I read out, I will be explaining it to you, right? The nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. The electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle that orbits the nucleus of an atom. So the electron moves around, it orbits, just like the sun, just like the moon, just like the earth moves around the sun. That's the same way the electron moves around the nucleus. But what makes up the nucleus are two particles, protons and neutrons. So the answer is what? The answer is C. Remember the question. The nucleus of an atom consists of what? Protons and neutrons. I want you to note this one. Do not forget it. Okay? The metal used to recover copper from a solution of copper sulfate is dash. The metal used to recover copper from a solution of copper sulfate is dash. A. The answer actually is D. The ideal metal are used that are stronger reducing agents than copper, but not reactive enough to react with the water that the solution consists of. Example of such is zinc, aluminum, and iron. So the answer here is iron, that is Fe. That is for 26. Okay, let's look at question 25. Question 25. The nucleus of a hydrogen atom consists of dash. The nucleus of a hydrogen atom consists of dash. A, 1 proton only. B, 1 proton, 2 neutrons. C, 1 neutron only. D, 1 electron only. The nucleus of a hydrogen atom, it consists of what? It consists of A. The hydrogen atom is the simplest of our atoms, consisting of a single proton and a single electron. Do you understand? So it consists of A. It consists of what? A, 1 proton only. 1 proton only. I hope you understand. And the explanation I gave is the hydrogen atom is the simplest of all atoms, consisting of a single proton and a single electron only. Now, recall, like I said before, I've done part 1 to part 6, and now we are in part 7. That is what you are watching. After part 7, there's also part 8, part 9, and all the rest. Now, I expect you to go over and start from the beginning to watch. I normally remind everybody in this YouTube channel that what you are watching is not Nollywood movie. You are not watching a game. You are not watching Z World. This is not action film. You are watching something that will affect your destiny, something that will affect your future, right? So I want you to watch the videos I create with all manner of seriousness. This will determine whether you will enter school this year or whether you will stay one more year. sleeping at home. This will determine if you will score 300 and above, if you will get 120 or 130 in this JAMB. I don't know what you claim. My prayer for you, and why I keep dropping these videos, is that you will enter school this year. You will gain admission this year. You will get at least 300 and above in your JAMB. You will be among those that will come back to me with a testimony, right? You will be proud of your JAMB result. You will be proud to show me your JAMB result. If you claim it, type I claim it. I want you to reject failure in this JAMB. Reject writing this JAMB again. Reject being one of those that will come back and become a customer of JAMB. That is, those that write JAMB every year. It's not your portion. It is not your portion at all. So treat it with seriousness. Okay? Number 24. The heat required to raise the temperature of the body by 1K is called dash. The heat required to raise temperature by 1K, that is 1 Kelvin or so, is called dash. A, specific heat. B, thermal capacity. C, water equivalent. D, none of the above. The answer is B. Heat capacity, also known as thermal capacity, is a physical property of matter defined as the amount of heat needed to cause a unit change in temperature in a given mass of material. Do you understand? Do you understand? Anyone I mention, anyone we encounter and mention, ensure that you don't jump them. Anyone we encounter and mention, ensure that you go back and do further research, further studies. Like I said, you are studying, you are not watching a movie. So anything I say that demands you to study harder, that is to make further research, write them down, and after you watch the video, go over and make further research. Remember, like I always say, to study beyond the videos I make. The videos I make should be like a catalyst, right? But you must do the more work. Get the textbook, read, study. And also, there's a reason why I will give you past questions, because that will help you. Aside these videos you are watching, I want you to also have a personal timetable, right? Where you use the syllabus and the past question to handle the topics that JAMB brought out. If you need me to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions, what you just need to do is to watch this particular video you are watching now till the end. If you watch this video till the end, I'm going to give you those materials free of charge. Free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question on your 4 JAMB subjects, including chemistry. Question 23. This is not Psalm 23. Question 23. The most abundant rare gas in the atmosphere is dash. A, helium, neon, argon, then Xe. Nitrogen is the most abundant naturally occurring gas in nitrogen, making up about 78% of air. Oxygen, on the other hand, is the second most abundant gas, making up about 21%. Okay, let's move on. The inherited traits of an organism are controlled by that. Even though this question often arises in biology, but it's also handled, because what happens in our body is also a kind of chemical reaction like digestion, combustion, and all the rest. The inherited traits of an organism are controlled by dash. A, RNA molecules. B, nucleotides. D, DNA molecules. D, enzymes. The answer is DNA molecules. DNA is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. DNA codes genetic information for the transmission of inherited traits. Assignment number 1. What is the full meaning of DNA? What is the full meaning of DNA? What is the full meaning of DNA? Just tell me in the comment section, okay? Are you with me? What is the full meaning of DNA? Just tell me. Remember, whenever I give an assignment, there is a reason why I gave the assignment. So don't jump and pass. Solve the assignment. Very important. The mass number of a nucleus is dash. The mass number of a nucleus is dash. A. Always less than the atomic number. B. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. C. Always more than the atomic weight. D. A fraction. The mass number is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in a nucleus of an atom. This is very, very fundamental for you as a science student. If you are doing chemistry, you already know there's a difference between atomic number and mass number. There is a difference between atomic number and mass number, right? There is a difference between atomic number and mass number. That is actually an assignment for you. Assignment number 2. Come under the comments. I want you to make this research. Don't jump and pass. How I know the serious ones in this channel, those that will make me proud, are those that do the assignment. I give you these assignments because I will not be there with you inside the JAMB hall, right? I can only help you outside the hall by giving you these materials before you enter the exam hall. Once you enter the hall, you have 180 questions to contend with, and you have only 120 minutes, meaning you have only 40 seconds to attempt any question. Only 40 seconds per question. And because it's computer based, once your time reaches, the system will shut down so that another person can take over. So we don't have time to waste. I encourage you to read, study as though your life depends on it. So I said the answer is what? Remember the question. The mass number of a nucleus is B. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. So when you add the proton and the nucleus, when you add them together, when you sum them together, it will give you the mass number, right? The number of protons only is called atomic number. The number of protons only is the atomic number, but mass number is summing the atomic number and the neutron number, the number of neutrons, okay? Look at this question 18. I hope you are following. By the way, I normally ask. I am very busy, but I take my time to make these videos, and sometimes I feel as though maybe this video is not helping anybody, right? As if I'm wasting my precious time when I come back. But I need to know, if the videos I make are helpful to you, please let me know. Are they helpful to you? Are they beneficial to you? Are they helping you in your studies? If there's any way these videos are helpful to you, let me know. Knowing that the videos are helpful will encourage me to bring out my time and make more of this kind of videos. Remember also that if there are any kind of videos I have not made that you think I should make that will help you in your exam, let me know. If there's any kind of video you think I should make that will aid you, maybe I've not made it, you have searched for it in our channel and you have not seen me make a video about it, or you need me to make more videos on that sub area, let me know, okay? The reactivity of fluorine is due to what? A. The reactivity of fluorine is due to what? A. Its high electronegativity. B. Small size of fluorine atom. C. Availability of d orbitals. D. Strong F bond. The answer is simple. Fluorine is the most reactive chemical element and the lightest member of the halogen element. So the answer is A. Fluorine, the reactivity of fluorine is due to its high electronegativity. Its high electronegativity. Are you still with me? Question number 17. Soaps clean surfaces on the principle based on dash. Which principle does soap? So you know soap now. Soap, what the Igbos call oncha. What principle does soap as a detergent use in cleaning surfaces? A. Viscosity. B. Flotation. C. Elasticity. D. Surface tension. The answer is surface tension. A. The surface tension forces become smaller as the distance between water molecules increases. The intervening soap molecules decreases the surface tension. Okay, I hope you are learning. Which of the following is a form of calcium carbonate? Which of the following is a form of calcium carbonate? A. Limestone. B. Marble. C. Chalk. D. Eggshell. A. I alone, that is limestone alone. B. Limestone, marble, and chalk and eggshell alone. C. C is limestone, marble, and chalk alone. Then D only. D is all of them. Actually, all of them are calcium carbonates. That is, limestone is a calcium carbonate, marble is a calcium carbonate, chalk is a calcium carbonate, eggshell is a calcium carbonate, and limestone, marble, chalk, eggshell. All of them are what? Carbonates of calcium, calcium carbonates. Okay? Neutron were discovered by dash. Neutron, who discovered neutron? These are foundational chemistry, SS1 work, but JAMB will not joke with them. These neutrons were discovered by dash. A. James Chadwick. B. N.H.S. Rutherford. C. J.J. Thomson. And D. John Dalton. The answer is James Chadwick. Say it. James Chadwick. Repeat it. James Chadwick, a British physicist. In which year? 1932. These things I'm saying looks simple, but they are real JAMB questions. I'm giving you real JAMB question. The maximum electron in N shell is dash. You know shells now. You know shells in electron configuration of an atom. Shell. We have different shells, right? The maximum number of electron in N shell is dash. A. 2. B. 8. C. 18. D. 32. I won't tell you the answer. It's simple. So I want you to make the research and tell me now. Make the research and tell me the maximum electron in N shell. Is it 32? Is it 32? Is it 18? Is it 8? Is it 2? That is, A is 2, B is 8, C is 18, D is 32. So tell me everything you can about that. In part 8, when we return, we will continue from question 14 and keep moving ahead. Remember, if you need me to give you the link to all the videos I've done on use of English, chemistry, biology, physics, any other subject, just tell me under the comment section and type give me the link and I will give it to you. Just not only give me the link, or indicate the subject you need the link on, and I could give them to you. For you to get the free JAMB syllabus, I promise, and free JAMB past question, just do this thing. It's simple. 4 steps. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is join our YouTube channel. You cannot receive anything unless you join. So join our YouTube channel. When you join, it will give you access to me, personal access. We can talk and I will guide you personally. Number two, like this video. Just click on like. Number 3, share this video. Very, very important. Click on share. Share this video. Then number 4, when you share this video, remember, when you share this video, just share it here on YouTube. Also share it, copy the link, share it on WhatsApp group, on Facebook group, on Telegram channels and all the rest. Share it to all the groups where your classmates and colleagues are. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Just click on subscribe. When you click on subscribe, then come under this comment and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials. Remember to claim that you must enter school this year. Remember the assignments I gave you. They are very, very important, and I'm waiting for you in the comment section for you to submit the assignments. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and continue watching now.